morning, everyone. Welcome back to our English class. It is so wonderful to see your smiling face on my screen today. How is everyone doing?
Morning, Miss. A little bit sleepy, but ready.
Don't worry, Bella. We will shake that sleepiness away right now. Before we begin, please look at the first slide on your screen. I want to clearly lay out our learning objectives so you know exactly what our targets are today. We have three main goals. First, you must be able to identify and analyze the social function, the generic structure, and the language features of a tips-based procedure text. And the second, you will learn how to draft clear chronological instruction for healthy living using sequence adverbs. And third, you will independently produce your own short procedure text containing 3 to 5 actionable tips using accurate imperative sentence. And next slide. Now, icebreaker. Let's start. What is your favorite healthy habit to stay energized during school hours? Chris, let's start with you.
I think my favorite healthy habit is drinking big glass of water every break time is it because it keeps me awake.
Oh, fantastic choice, Chris. Water is crucial. What about you, Diana?
For me, I always bring an apple or banana for my snack at school because it gives me quick energy.
Perfect. Healthy snacks give us a long-lasting energy. Now imagine if a friend of yours want to start a healthy routine. What advice or tips would you write down for them, Ethan?
I will tell them to stop sleeping late, miss. Go to bed early so they can wake up fresh.
Exactly. Go to bed early. Notice how Ethan gave advice just now. He used a direct instruction or command, and that relates directly to our topic today. Today, we are going to learn how to identify, outline, and produce our own procedure text, focusing on tips and guides for healthy living. Let's flip to the next slide. A procedure text is a text that explains how something is achieved through a sequence of actions or steps. And the social function is to give a list of guidelines or tips on how to achieve a healthy lifestyle. And the next slide, the generic structure. A procedure text for healthy tips typically has two main sections. First, the goal or aim, which is your title, for example, how to get better sleep at night. Second, the steps, which are clear chronological sequence of instruction for a tips format like this. The material or equipment section is completely optional because we are sharing advice, not making an object. Now let's look at the next slide. The language features or our grammar checklist for writing today. To write good tips, we need three main ingredients. First, simple present tense for routines. Second, imperative sentence, which are direct commands starting with base verbs. For example, drink enough water, avoid late night snacks. And third, sequence adverb to connect the time order. Chris, can you name some examples of sequence adverb from the slide?
Uh, Words like first, next, then, and finally, miss.
Brilliant. Those are the exact time connectives we need to order our steps smoothly. Moving on to the next slide, text modeling. Let's analyze a short text together. So you can see how these elements combine. The title is How to Stay Hydrated During School Days. Diana, please read the first two steps for us.
Okay, Miss. First, drink a glass of fresh water right after you wake up in the morning to recharge your body. Next, bring your own reusable water bottle to school and place it on your desk so you always remember to drink.
Thank you, Diana. Ethan, can you read the last two steps?
Yes, miss. Then, take a few sips of water during every class break, especially after physical education class. Finally, avoid sweet or fizzy drinks because they don't hydrate your body as well as pure water.
Perfect reading. Text analysis. Let's do a quick analysis together. Alex, in the first step, what is the sequence adverb and what is the imperative verb?
The sequence adverb is first and the imperative verb is drink, miss.
Exactly. Bella, look at the final step. What is the imperative sentence used there?
It says, finally, avoid sweet or fizzy drinks. The verb is avoid.
Excellent. You guys completely understand the language features now. We have the goal as the title, chronological steps, clear imperative verbs, and accurate sequence adverbs. Now let's check out the next slide. And now in page, time to write your own tips. I want everyone to open your notepad or digital worksheet. You have about 3 minutes to write a short procedure text based on one of these three topics on the slide. Topic first, how to start a simple morning exercise routine. And the second topic, how to prepare a healthy school lunchbox. And the third topic is how to reduce stress after school hours. Remember our writing checklist on the screen. Write 3 to 5 clear steps. Use imperative sentence starting with base verbs and apply correct sequence adverbs. Once you are finished, do not open your microphone. Please type and send your full text directly into our Zoom chat box. Your time starts now. All right, time's up, everyone. Let's read and review two of your submission together from the chat box. First, let's look at Chris' text in the chat box. He chose topic B. Let me read it for everyone. How to prepare a healthy school lunchbox. First, wash your hands and clean your lunchbox container. Next, pack some carbohydrates like brown rice or whole wheat bread. Then, add healthy proteins such as grilled chicken or egg. Finally, put an apple or grapes as a fresh dessert. Wow, Chris, that is an incredible procedure text. Let's check our criteria. Did he write 4 clear steps? Yes. Did he use sequence adverbs? First, next, then, finally. And his verbs wash, pack, add, pass, are all great imperative verbs. Excellent job, Chris. Moving on to the second text in the chat box from Diana. She chose topic A. Let's read it. How to start a simple morning exercise routine. First, wake up early and drink a glass of water. Next, do a light stretching for 5 minutes to warm up your muscle. Then, go outside for a short, brisk walk around your neighborhood. Finally, take a deep breath and rest before you take a shower. Outstanding, Diana. Your steps are very logical and realistic for teenagers. You use correct time connectives and very clear action verbs like wake up, do, go, and take. Keep it up. I'm so incredibly proud of Chris and Diana and everyone else who has submitted their text in the chat box. I will copy all your answer from the chat box to give your detailed grades and feedback later. Everyone, give a virtual round of applause for yourself. Um, and now let's look at our last slide. Reflection and closing. Before we wrap up today's session, let's do a quick check in using our Zoom reaction. Give me thumbs up reaction if you feel completely confident writing direct imperative sentence on your own now, and give me a heart reaction if the independent challenge helped you understand how sequence steps properly. Awesome. I see a lot thumbs up and hearts flashing across my screen. That means you all did an incredible job today. Alex, what is the most important thing you learned today about giving tips?
Mm,
Chris, boleh menggantikan Alex?
Uh, may I, Miss?
What is the most important thing you learned today about giving tips?
I learned that we must start our instruction sentence directly with base verbs like eat healthy food or drink water instead of adding you should every time.
Beautiful summarize, Chris. That is the power of imperative sentence. For your task, please review the feedback I will post later, and we will practice presenting them next week. Thank you so much for joining today's class, being active, and typing so fast in the chat box. Stay healthy, and I will see you all in our next session. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Thank you,
Kiwi.
Miss. Good day. Have a great day.